Am I the a-hole for not apologizing to a little girl when my dog scared her? I have a small dog who doesn't like children. He ignores them when they leave him alone, but gets quite nervous when they yell or run or jump towards him. Recently, I was walking him on the sidewalk by my home, and a woman was sitting outside watching her young daughter, around 4 or 5 years old, play. The daughter saw my dog, who is very cute and fluffy, and began running towards him, screaming excitedly. My dog got frightened and started barking. The girl then got scared and started crying hysterically. Her mother began yelling at me and demanding that I apologize to her daughter because my dog had scared her. I responded that I had nothing to apologize for, as my dog was properly leashed and far away from the girl at all times, so I had done my duty as a responsible dog owner. I added that she should do her duty as a parent and teach her child not to scream and run towards strangers' dogs since you never know how they will react. She disagreed, and eventually I just walked away.